Hi folks, Dan again. I wanted to go through some more finger picking. So the third in a series of tutorials on basic finger picking. You'll notice just as a start that I've put the capo for Americans, on the 3rd fret, and it lets me do fairly simple chords, so we can focus on the finger picking and not on complex chord shapes. And you can see everything I'm doing, and you can see the whole of me. I don't know how much use that is to you. So the chord shape I'm doing today is your F shape. Why F shape? Well, the F shape is really good because it allows all of the strings to be covered. I mean, if you're doing just the D, anything you do with the bass is kind of, yeah. But when you've got the F shape, you can go straight from the A string, and to some extent, you can even use the E string. Certainly the A string can be used from there on. So there's your rationale for what I'm showing you today. Just as a recap, what I did the first time, I called it the 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go again. Doing there again, if you remember, this is thumb, index, middle, and then back to index. 4 beats total, but you can just repeating. Here I'm doing 3, 4. So, second recap. Second was what I call the 1, 2, 3. I did the thumb, then the middle finger, then the index finger. So again, very pleasant. What's on today's agenda? The 1, 2, 1, 3. And this time I'm naming them after the fingers that I'm using. 1, I'm using the F shape, yeah? 1, 2, 1, 3. Thumb, index, thumb, okay, 6th fret, 3rd if you don't have a capo on, that's the position. Normally this would be a G, in this case it's an A sharp. This is a song of my own, which I'm going to link to at the end. You can hear the whole song. So it's kind of a tutorial for it too, about that. Why am I using my own songs? I don't have copyright problems, and I get to showcase my songs, because I'm a songwriter. So what have I done? I've gone from that 6th fret, 10th fret, and just moving it 1 across. So we'll try it again. This time I've taken this finger off. Otherwise I'm I'm keeping that F shape. A shape here on the 8th fret. So it sounds like this. What's this good for? I like the rhythm because it sets up almost like a ticking clock, and that's very much the theme of that song. Again, I'll link it at the end. But you've got that tick, tick, tock, tick, passing of time, and all this kind of stuff. So the other thing that it's good for is that it is a bridge to Travis picking. Travis picking, I won't go into in detail here, but it starts with the thumb and the middle finger initially. This is at least the way I do Travis picking. And after so you've got, after that initial pluck, the 1, 2, 1, 3. So that's a kind of a simple way of understanding what sort of country picking, Travis type picking is. Okay, the rest is practice. Bye.